have donkey here too.
All right, today we're gonna take a trip to Downey. They had a Greek festival, and I went there for the lamb, but I did not get any lamb. Actually, I did get lamb if you consider gyros. All right, that's the only thing, the closest thing I got to lamb. Lamb got a little too pricey for me. I mean, if you want a whole lamb, you're gonna have to cough up some real cash here. Now, the Greek festival was beautiful. I enjoyed it. My kids enjoyed it. They had a lot of little shops. They had live music. Everything was pretty good, But unfortunately, the prices, tariffs and stuff like that. It does you feel it in your pocket. The thing I got was Greek fries and also gyro. Like I said, drinks were a little too pricey. Vendors were okay. People were very friendly. Parking, there was parking. And then the best thing I like about it was the open museum. Showing some of the culture of the actual Greek people, and also not only that, it shows you the inside of a beautiful church. So if you're planning to go to a Greek festival, bring some money. My rating from scale to from 1 to 5, I give it a 3. I would have given higher marks, but unfortunately, prices were a little too high. They got really unaffordable for me in some places, and I went there for a budget, not to get a home loan. So if you guys are gonna go out there, enjoy yourself. Maybe just the music, take your own lunch, your own food, and have fun. So they do charge in the entrance, just to let you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoy the